performers among us, and welcome to our new series, Step by Step. In this series, we are going to break down a lot of the basic skills and exercises needed for marching band. And in today's first video, we're going to be breaking down one of the most fundamental skills in color guard, drop spins. Alright, so that's the plan for today. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and get started with left-sided drop spins. We're going to start with the left side just because it tends to be our weaker side. So we start in left flat, making sure we're boxed out and lifted up, and with our left hand at the left tab, and then our right hand on the bottom crutch tip. And we're going to count off 5, 6, 7, and on count 7 we're going to squeeze, and then on count 8 lift it up to left shoulder. From here, our right hand will let go, and then our left hand will push straight down, twisting the flag back into our right hand with both of our thumbs pressing down towards the silk and towards the ground. And this is count 1. From here, your left hand will let go, allowing your right hand to rotate the flag and the pole so the silk is upward to count 2. And then at count 2, your left hand will re-grab underneath your right hand. And that's it. You repeat that pattern over and over again, and those are your left-handed drop spins. And then for right-handed drop spins, it's the exact same thing, just on the right. You start in a right flat, you go to a right shoulder, and then it's your left hand that lets go first, with your right hand going straight down into your left hand. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like on the video. And if you're interested in seeing more tutorials later this week, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss them. And if this video helped you with a skill you were struggling with, post a video of you doing this skill to any of your social media with the hashtag tpau for a chance to be featured. And y'all have a great day and keep on performing.